Hi folks, we're back on and just looking at this old remote control of Mike's. This came with a telly that we got from Jay's Vintage Junk a while back. The telly works lovely. I mean, Mike's really happy with it.
Yeah.
But the remote control's been a bit of an issue. So you know, he's brought it to me. It did work at one point, didn't it, Mike?
It did, yeah.
And you know, it worked at one point, but now it doesn't. So you know, that's why it's here.
Have you heard of this firm? They're very good. It's at Brixham, Semtech.
Is it? Did you make sure when you bought the chip, you got one on the right frequency?
Well,
Because
I possibly didn't, you see.
Yeah, because they're all different frequencies, aren't they?
Yeah. Ultrasonic.
Oh, there we go, we're in.
Infrared remote control.
Right, let's have a look. Ultrasonic.
Yeah.
Have a look at your thing a minute. Ultrasonic or infrared remote control, yeah. Yeah, because these are infrared. The ultrasonics are the ones that are the earlier ones, aren't they?
It's in the static bag.
Yeah, it's a CMOS device, isn't it?
Yeah.
Comes in an anti-static bag.
There's the old chip there.
In that anti-static bag.
Yeah.
Right. So let's have a look then. And let's see what the issue is. I mean, you've done a nice job of soldering that, Mike, it has to be said.
Yeah.
But there again, if your soldering was lousy, I'd be very, very fucking surprised. You've been in the game for fucking years.
Yeah, and it's soldered with 6040 lead, of course. Oh,
Yeah, alright, don't brag.
Rubbish.
Alright, don't brag just because you got decent solder. I'll come to your house and steal it when you're out. Yeah.
Oh dear.
Yeah. Start me, I'll wait until summer comes round, I'll swap your washing with your neighbours. We used to do all that when we was kids, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we used to swap all the neighbours' washing. Yeah. In the middle of the night, you know, people used to leave it out. We used to climb over the fucking back fences and gates and swap all the fucking washing. Yeah. So what we're going to do, folks, we're going to have a quick look at this. And I'll zoom in a little bit for you on this, because this is a bit bigger than the turd we were on 5 minutes ago.
Yeah.
And we'll see if we can change the camera angle a little bit. Do you know, I think that everybody should have a radio controlled camera mount, a motorised camera mount.
Yeah.
I think that, you know. In fact, for YouTube videos, I think it should be compulsory.
Yeah.
Everybody has one, and the reason why is, you hear them, and it's really annoying, isn't it? When they say, "I'll just move you," and it shakes everywhere.
That's right.
And while they're moving it, you hear the chair creaking.
Yeah.
Well, I say the chair, it might be them that's creaking. You know. I remember once I was coming down the road here at the top, and a woman said to me, I was up near the shops, and a woman said to me, I was on a bike, I was on a push bike, and she said, "Oh love," she said, "that bicycle's got a horrible squeak, hasn't it?" I said, "Oh, that's not the bicycle, love." I said, "That's me."
And she fell over, laughing.
Yeah, laughing her head off.
Ah.
Yeah. Hey, did you hear about the leper who failed his driving test?
No, go on then.
Oh, he left his foot on the accelerator. Hey, two lepers playing cards.
Yeah.
Yeah, one threw his hand and the other laughed his head. Right, so let's. What we need to do with this, we need to pop the battery on first, see if there's anything in the battery. Oh, there is plenty.
Well, yeah, there's 9 volts in it.
Yeah, I know there is. I just got a zing off it.
Yeah.
Just done the tongue test.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what we need to do is we need to find out
If the LEDs are.
if the LEDs are.
I can't see anything from them at all.
No, well, what we're going to do here. Yeah, you couldn't see them, could you?
No.
Let's get the old iPhone on. I don't know why they call it the iPhone, because it's really the iPhone, isn't it? Because it's not a capital I, is it?
No.
It's a small I.
True.
So it's actually an iPhone.
Yeah.
What's on your mind? I've just gone onto Facebook. Do you know, I deleted. Do you know, I shut down my Facebook account yesterday because I got bored with it.
Yeah.
And I reset it up. I resorted it out.
Yeah.
And he fucking hasn't put Francis back in as my friend.
Hasn't it?
But no, it left a few out.
Oh.
Has she been on what? Let me just see if she's been on WhatsApp yet. I don't think she has. No, she's not been on yet. It's probably not got her data yet. Yeah, she was surprised to see me at 5 o'clock this morning.
She was. Oh,
Yeah, hang on.
Who the hell's that at the door?
Oh no, she knew. She says, "I heard you." I said, "Were you surprised?" She says, "No." She says, I heard your motorbike." She says, "I'm used to the sound of your engine."
Yeah.
I suppose once you get to know someone and they've
That's
been a few
right,
times,
you
you do get used to it, don't you?
True.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot to ask, how's your lovely lady, Mike?
Oh, she's doing very well, thank you.
Oh,
She said
good.
give my regards to Andy.
Yeah, we'll give her mine back when you go.
Yeah.
Mind you didn't expect me being here, did you?
No, well...
You go, I shouldn't be here, should have been at fucking work.
Yeah.
But I got there, she said you're not needed, so I phoned her up. And then she told me over the phone that I'd been sacked. Because she said I'd sat on my ass on my last shift. I fucking hadn't. I'd done my shift and then I was sat eating a bag of crisps before I came home. Well, no, but she didn't want to listen to any of that.
No.
She didn't want to listen to any of that. Listen. She didn't want to hear any of that. You know, she just wanted to believe what she was told.
That's right.
You know, so, you know, I leave people like that, Mike.
That's true.
I leave people like that. I let them believe I let them believe what they want.
What was it involved in doing
Just
that?
cleaning.
Just cleaning, yeah.
Yeah, just cleaning really, Mike. That was all it was. It was nothing rocket science. It was. I'll tell you what. You know, these iPhone screens, they're not bad. You know, for the price.
Yeah.
You know, these aftermarket screens.
Yeah. You said that you saw it in the dark, did you? Something.
I did, yeah.
Well, I had the bloody dark on, but of course you can't. Your phone doesn't work when it's pitch dark, does it? It can't see the.
No, I saw it in the video camera.
Did you?
Yeah, I'm just looking now to see. Was that the chair or your ass?
No, it's just a chair creaking a bit.
Right.
My leg's hurting today. I've got arthritis is playing up. Got a lot to answer for, Arthur.
Yeah, old arthritis, eh?
Yeah.
I remember a friend of mine got double pneumonia.
Did you?
Yeah, he was lucky. They only charged him for single.
Yeah.
There's nothing on them at all.
No.
Nothing on them at all, you know. Let me see if there's any voltage on them. I'm going to press a button if I can do it that way. See if we get any voltage on them. Trying to think where my fucking meter is. There it is. See if we've got any voltage going up to them LEDs. See, the thing I like about this meter is auto ranging.
Yeah.
I mean, I expect the voltage to jump about a bit. But I expect there to be voltage on these. When you press the button, you expect to get something on them.
Yeah.
It's fucking difficult. It's actually difficult to press the button and hold the meter on.
It's got to be in that position as well, hasn't it?
Yeah, pretty much. So basically,
Is it going up to 6?
I don't know yet. I'll let you know. Can you press one of the buttons, Mike? Because I can't hold.
No,
I can't hold. It needs two of you to operate it. Because I can't.
It?
Yeah, I have got my croc clips actually. I use them in a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you can. It's difficult
to press the buttons, isn't it?
Yeah, it's difficult to press the buttons, hold the circuit board down.
Yeah.
And take a reading. There, go on. There you go. Go again. Well, it's getting voltage. Getting 1 volt. Which is what you'd expect.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you press that, it's getting 1 volt.
Ah.
So, I'm wondering.
Is it the lead diodes themselves, is it?
I don't think it'd be the
No.
diodes. Don't think so. Well, what I'm going to do, the best way to try it really is, if I can do it this way, chuck that shit up there for a minute. Put that shit there for a minute. We're moving shit round now, folks. This is where it gets interesting.
I've changed that pot, you know, it's a 47k.
Yeah, I thought that was a new one.
Yeah.
Yeah, was it a 47k you took out?
Yeah.
You put a 47k in?
Yeah, or a 50k. There's a selection of 50k's or 47k's. You see.
Yeah, 50k would do it, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 50k this one, it's got to see it written on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, 50k would do it though.
Yeah.
Wouldn't make much difference that, would it?
True.
But what I want to do...
And I put it back to the pencil mark where you had it last, you see, you know.
Yeah. Have you tried it in a few positions with the button, holding the
Yeah,
button pressed
yeah, I did, yeah.
hold it down, yeah.
Yeah.
So what I want to do now, I want to find an LED, one with long leads on it, preferably a fucking new one really. That 2.8 volts, that'll be about enough. Yeah, this is one of Arthur's.
Yeah.
But there's a nice one down there with nice long fucking legs on it. Yeah, my girlfriend's thinking of getting into black underwear, you know.
Is she?
Yeah. I'm gonna do my best to talk her out of it.
You'll easily do that, won't you?
Hey, right, let's have a look here. The cathode is the anode is usually the one with the long leg,
Yeah.
and more structure to it inside the diode. So what I want to do, I want to snip them so that they're even, because I'm not bothered about one having a long leg, because I don't need that. I just need them even. Ooh. See, if I put an LED on here, in theory it should light up.
You should see it, shouldn't you?
Yeah, you should do.
I can't understand that firm that's at Brixham. It was £1 something or other. £1.99 including postage for one, but you could get 5 for a bit more, for about £2 odd, you see.
Yeah.
So in other words, you've got a selection to go at, haven't you? You see, whether the UAA 4000s are various frequency ones, like, you see, you know.
Yeah.
Because they've got their own crystal inside them, haven't they, you see, Andy?
Well, that's it, you see. Let me adjust this. I want to just adjust your trimmer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to turn your trimmer just fully up for a minute. Because I noticed I noticed it made it brighter when you did that. When I
Right.
tested it last time.
Yeah.
You would expect it to light an LED. These are not important. I'm wondering how these are wired.
Yeah, the looks as though they were had in series, the two of them. I mean, if one is faulty, You know, the other one won't work, will it?
Well, I tested them, you know.
Yeah.
I tested
Well, if
them.
you give them an ohms meter reading
Oh,
insert.
here we are, Mike.
Well,
We had illumination of the LED then.
did you?
We did, the LED lit up.
Ah.
Hold that button back down. There. Look,
Oh, yeah.
take my finger off.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do, I'm going to clean that and I'm going to solder. Just tack the LED onto there.
Yeah.
Let's get another piece of
Of
rubbish
course,
solder.
you have turned that.
I know I have, Mike. Well, that's why I want to solder an LED on.
Yeah.
So I can play with it.
Yeah.
Where's my solder? Well, there's that fucking solder fairy bin in here again. Or has it run away to get away from the turd? Where's my fucking solder? There's loads of it round here. There's some big fucking thick stuff there. I don't want that.
No.
I want my fucking thin stuff. It's on here somewhere. Yeah, I've got this stuff here, but it's not very good. But then again, the fucking stuff I'm using ain't very good either. Oh. Use a bit. This is even thinner.
Is it?
Yeah, that's why I don't fucking use it. It's not. I don't think this is too bad, but they're very, very, very thin.
Right.
So what I want to do is just a bit of solder on there.
You're putting it across two diodes, or
No, yeah, I'm going across two diodes.
yeah.
See. Oh. Okay, now I'm full of wind today, you know.
Yeah, right,
Yeah,
yeah.
most people would describe as being full of shite. So I want to solder that.
Are they all red? I mean, is it the colour of the diode? I can't understand the LED.
Well, I'm using a red LED
Yeah.
because I can see red.
Yes.
I can't see infrared.
No.
You know, my eyes are not that good. No one's are.
No. But he's got that red lens over the front of it anyway, hasn't it?
Yeah, that's just a diffuser.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, the problem with this solder is it's crap. It doesn't stick.
Doesn't it?
No, it's really rubbish. Doesn't stick. It's crap.
You see, that I noticed when you were using the other one that it was a load of smoke coming off it. So in other words, it's got a load of flux in it.
It's got
you
flux
see.
in it, but you know,
That's
this
what
one.
it needs. It needs flux, you see, doesn't
Yeah.
it, to tin it properly.
That's no good. That solder. It's crap.
Uh,
I'm never going to get the job done with that. Let's see if I can find me other roll.
not falling on the floor, has it?
No, if it fell on the fucking floor, it's a fucking big fucking roll.
Yeah.
It's not on the floor. I mean, where can you fucking how far can you fucking solder go?
Yeah. It can roll though, can't it?
Yeah, but it hasn't rolled off onto the floor. That's fucking noise it had. It's on here somewhere. Let's shift. Put this aerial down.
Yeah.
Right, let's. Now let's have a good look.
That's thick stuff, huh?
That's the thick stuff.
Yeah.
But where's the fucking thin stuff? I mean, I've got that, but that's crap. I'm gonna have to use it. I'm gonna have to use that.
Were you using it earlier on, Andy?
And let's just move this. It's not fell off the bench. No, I've not used it today.
Oh.
No, I've not used it today, Mike.
Oh.
It's not fell off the bench.
Oh.
Fucked if I know where. It's fucking here somewhere. But can I find, can I? But, never mind. Let's use a bit of this. This is a bit heavy, but it'll do the iron can melt it, so it'll be okay.
Yeah.
But this stuff's a bit fucking heavy.
It's like a 18's gauge.
There we go. Right. There we go. Right, so what I want to do next.
I'm working on the back on that pie at the moment, you know. I've got to, I'm using the original pie back. And I've had to modify the dome bit, like, you know.
Yeah, I'm listening, I'm just... Yeah, go on, you're saying.
Yeah, I've got to alter the light square triangular dome that sticks out, you know.
Make sure this is the right way around.
But it's got an RGB panel on the back of that tube, you see, and it's just not slim enough to fit in that Pi V4.
That's fucking wrong way fucking round that.
Is it wrong way around, did you say?
Yeah, I think so. I weren't getting anything from it. Let's try it now. There we go. See, look.
Oh, wow, yeah.
See it.
Yeah.
Folks, when you press the button and the remote control is working.
Yeah.
I've only soldered one wire on.
Across one diode.
Well, I've only soldered one wire on it altogether.
Yeah.
Yeah, but these are... let me just tack the other wire on. It might need 2 new diodes. But I tested them and they were okay.
Yeah. Yeah, but you see, when you apply heat to them, they might make contact, might they?
That's possible. I mean, I tested the LEDs.
Yeah.
Come on, stick onto it, you bastard. There we go. Should have got it.
So it should have a good remote to bloody work on, isn't it? You know.
Oh, it's not that. It's my
pressing it.
fucking. It's not that. It's my. The reason why I'm putting the LED on is so that I can see what it does
Yeah.
when I press it. No, it's not fucking horrible solder. That shit. It's unfortunate. It's all I've got. Well, it isn't. I've got a fucking roll of stuff, but
Yeah, but where is it?
yeah, exactly. It's in here somewhere.
Phantom, the solder's steel has gone. It's gone, taken it somewhere, has it?
Yeah. The phantom solder. The phantom solder.
Yeah.
Steeler. Yeah.
Like Harold. The use of a snaffling Mac.
Yeah, fucking anything went in it.
Yeah.
It weren't fucking nailed down, it was his. Yeah, I remember you telling me about him.
Yeah.
Tell you what, I wouldn't let him in my workshop. This is just not fucking sticking. This is, isn't
You
this
do
a
with a little, you know, have you not got any separate flux, solder flux on its own in a little tin handy?
I have got some flux, I can't think where it fucking is.
Yeah.
Oh, guess what I've just found?
What, your solder?
Yeah.
Put it right in front of him.
It was up there.
In the same place.
See, this stuff's crap as well, but it's not as crap as that other stuff.
No, that's right, yeah.
You know, this stuff's not bad. Well, I'll say it's not bad, but...
Yeah, but look at the smoke coming off that. It's got a load of flux in it.
Yeah,
That's what it needs, you see, solder does.
That's right.
Because it's that's what kills you, you see. You know, that's why they don't let you they don't like you using it. Because you're breathing it all the while, you see. They have to have, these engineers today, I believe they have to have fucking great big funnel over to take the fucking fumes away.
Fucking stupid, innit?
Yeah.
We've been doing it for years, haven't we, Mike?
Health and safety.
We've been doing it for years, haven't we?
Yeah, yeah.
You know, fucking... We've been doing it for fucking... I've got some solder stuck on my mat now.
Yeah, haven't you? Yeah.
Because I flipped the iron. There we go. Right, well, we're on now. Right, well, we're on now, so if I press the buttons now...
Yeah.
So, did you say the mute didn't work?
Yeah.
Apparently the mute does work.
Yeah.
The mute button works.
Yeah, all of them work, don't
Yeah, well,
they?
there's one.
Yeah.
Go get on the camera. 1,
Yeah.
2,
Yeah.
oh, 1, 5, 2, 6, 3,
Yeah.
7, 4, 8. Volume down, volume up.
Yeah.
Standby, and mute.
Yeah.
So all the controls work.
Yeah.
So the remote control is working in theory.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now let's get a little small adjuster, and let's
see what the intensity of it is.
I want to see.
It makes it.
It makes it more solid.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah. So it's on all the while, isn't it? At one end.
That's on all the while there.
Where's that pencil mark? That can you see the pencil mark on the?
I can, yeah, there.
Yeah.
So if I set it to a pencil mark,
It's very
pretty
weak
much solid, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
So I reckon.
As it should be up there, shouldn't it? About there. Yeah.
Let me click my frequency counter to the LED. I know it tells you a different way to do it,
Yeah.
but let me put my frequency counter on the LED. What can I shit myself then?
Where?
Thought my frequency counter wasn't working.
Oh.
Turn my signal generator off, I don't need that on. There we go, the signal generator off. Frequency counter. Right. So what I want to do, what did it call for in the manual now for the frequency, Mike? 40 what? Was it what was it? Was it 40?
I forget.
So do I.
Yeah, but that was with the pin shorted, wasn't it?
I know. Yeah, I know that, but
Yeah.
it should have the same effect.
Yeah.
It should have the same effect.
It was 40 something, wasn't it?
Was it 140? No, it weren't, was it?
No.
40 odd, wasn't it?
Yeah. No, it wasn't it 91, 81 or something.
No.
I know it was dodging around that. It was nearly 100, and you set it for 100, didn't you? That was it, 100, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's supposed to be 100 megahertz,
That's
isn't
right, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to press one of the channel buttons. I think there's a channel button, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn that fully that way.
And then is that where the frequency is?
I'm going to bring this down.
to 100, 120. It jumped down dead low, that. 55. Do you want the spare hand?
No. I can manage it.
Yeah. No, 57. 60.
I'll tell you what, let's do it the way it tells you to do it in the manual.
Oh, but I forget the pins.
Right, well I think you have to link 12 and 13. You link 12 and 13.
You could, it could be that.
It's, yeah, you link 12 and 13. Yeah. So.
Where were you measuring that on the LED? Were you?
Yeah. On the LED, I was measuring.
Well, that'd be alright, wouldn't it?
Well, that's what I was thinking, but I wasn't
Yeah.
getting the reading I wanted. No matter what I did with this, it wasn't doing much.
I want it.
No, so what I want to do, I want to go 10, 11, 12.
It's a 9 pin, aren't they? So that it's an 18er.
1, 2, 3,
Is it
4,
pin
5,
9?
6, 7, 8, 9, yeah. So 10, 11, 12. Is it 11 and 12 you link, or 30 and 12
I'm
and
not
13?
sure, Andy.
Ooh. And I can't remember, and I didn't video it, so I can't even go back to the video. I think. See, if you'd have left the original chip in it,
Yeah,
that if you'd have left the original chip in it, I would have known
yeah,
by the solder being disturbed.
yeah, yeah, but you did a good job of the soldering, you see, because I double checked it, you see.
Oh, I know.
Yeah,
1, 2, 3, I think it's either 11 and 12. I think it's 12 and 13, you know. Yeah, it is.
I think it's more
So
like...
it's 12 and 13.
Yeah,
It's 12 and 13 that you link,
yeah,
and you solder a wire to 16.
yeah.
Yeah, that was how it was. So what we'll do, we'll take the battery off. So we'll link. So.
You might be right, Andy.
So 11, or 10, 11, 12, 13. So 12 and 13 need to be linked.
That'll block quick.
Well, that's no problem with that. We've got a blob.
Yeah.
We're blobbed. So 13, just make sure solder doesn't link the right side. I have, yes. So
It was on that top row, wasn't it?
It
Nearest
was, yeah,
Battery connection.
yeah, 13,
Yeah.
14, 15, 16. Let's find a wire to solder to 16.
Yeah.
Now.
Tough that bloody telephone wire.
It's not telephone wire,
Oh,
it's power lead wire.
right.
Right, let me have a look. Right, so you link pin 16.
Right.
Sorry, you put a wire on pin 16.
Yeah,
Yeah, and you link 12 and 13.
yeah. I think you're right, Andy. What a memory.
It takes some doing, but I do remember.
Yeah. I'll give it to you. You've got some determination.
Oh, you know me,
I've got
Mike.
no patience now, you see. I can't bloody do things like... Since I've got older, like, you know, I don't know. It's just... you get knackered after a bit, you know.
Catches up with you. Well, that's why I said to you when you retired, didn't I?
Yeah.
You know, keep your hand in.
Yeah.
You know, keep your hand in, and that's what you've done,
yeah,
really.
That's what I'm trying to do.
You know,
see,
keep your hand in. You won't
Yeah.
forget. You know, because if you sat around, you'd forget.
Yeah, that's right.
You'd
you
forget
do,
everything
yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
So 13, 14, 15, 16.
Yeah.
And I'm going to solder it to that capacitor there, and the reason why is it's coming off pin 16.
Yeah.
It's easier to just tack it to that capacitor. I think it's a capacitor. Yeah. It's that capacitor
That bloke,
that you thought was a crystal.
He insinuated he's called Terry, not Terry Scott, but he's
No,
called
he was
Terry
Terry
Cook.
June, wasn't
Terry Cook.
he? Yeah.
And he's at Brixham. He said, I am not VAT registered. In other words, you say, you know, you can't claim. But of course, he'll be a self-employed bloke handling these chips, you see, you know.
Yeah, he's just buying them and selling them, isn't he?
Yeah.
So we need to connect that one there, that one there to ground,
You might
which
even
we
know.
can use.
He might have been a TV engineer in his earlier days,
It's
like,
possible.
even
Right.
though he lives in a fishing village, which is Brixham.
Right, well we've got the battery on,
Yeah, it's blinking.
and there we got the LED flashing.
Yeah.
So what we'll do now, so basically all that does is shorts out one of the buttons.
Yeah.
That link, it just shorts out one of the buttons.
Yeah.
So we're on 58, 54. So I need to adjust this to 100, 57,
Yeah.
61.
It's doing it better, that one, isn't it?
It's a big improvement. It's not jumping about, look.
No,
Not as bad.
that's right, yeah. Yeah.
83, 91, 94.
95, 99, 100. Oh, is your hand capacity probably handy as well, you see. And it's flickering like buggery, that light.
Let me just turn this a slight image more, just a mouse's midgie.
Yeah, what 101 now? No, 110 now.
Yeah, but yeah, when I pull my hand away, it drops.
Yeah, it goes to 98. Yeah, 99, 97.
100.
100, yeah.
I think that's better, but I think that's where it needs to be.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna leave that there, mate.
Yeah.
And it is working.
Yeah.
You know, it doesn't tell you to do this in the book, does it?
No.
To put an LED in.
No, but it's indication for your benefit as well, isn't it? For my benefit as well.
Yeah, well that's it, you see. But I was right about the pins that you link.
Yeah.
I thought I was. I'm usually not right, me.
Yeah.
I know fuck all about that. I don't even know why you let me do this. I know nothing about any of this shit, you know.
Yeah, but you're learning, you see.
Yeah, this electronics. I know fuck all about electronics. I'll be the first to admit it. Yeah. We're fluctuating there between 97 and 100.
Yeah, but it's
And 101. So I'd say that's about right.
That's right. Yeah.
So you know, I'm gonna leave that as it is.
Yeah.
So what we'll do now, we'll take the battery, we'll take the links back off.
The only thing that can't be working now is the two LEDs, isn't it?
Yeah, but I think they are.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Well,
yeah.
if they're not, I'm sure you've got some remotes you can nab two out of.
Yeah.
You'd be able to swap them, wouldn't you?
That's what I'll do, yeah.
Yeah, just put two new ones in if it doesn't work.
Yeah, brand new second-hand ones.
Yeah. Straight out of a brand new second-hand remote.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. So what we'll do now, we'll take the link wire off. Not the link wire. We'll take the extension wire off I used,
And then
and we'll take the link.
the couple of...
We'll just break the link. There we go.
Yeah.
And just check that. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. And I tell you, your soldering's not bad for an old man. Yeah. But then again, like I said, you've been at it fucking long enough.
Well...
Be surprised if it was bad.
I mean, I use a solder sucker to get it out, you see, and I...
Oh, you have to. You can't get them out without a solder sucker.
No.
I mean, there's a lot of people that tend to use this desolder braid.
Yeah.
You know, there's one guy I watch
I
on
don't
YouTube.
like the desolder.
I don't like it. There's one
That
guy I
braid.
watch there is one guy, I'm going to mention
I've
him.
seen him, yeah. I've seen it being done, actually. You know.
There's one guy I do watch, and he's actually called.
Yeah.
He's actually got a channel called Retro Gaming. Can't remember
Is
his name. Yeah, and he actually uses solder braid. He actually uses. Yeah, I can't remember the name of his channel, but he repairs Neo Geo stuff, and
Does he?
you know, he was in the arcade business for
Right.
you know, about 15, 20 years.
Yeah,
He was
yeah.
repairing arcade machines.
Right.
You know, and he's got a retro gaming channel on YouTube.
Right.
And basically, he's basically he uses solder braid.
Does he?
Yeah, and he's good with it.
Right.
You know, he's brilliant with it.
That's a sod to get back, that bloody. I mean, I use them to.
Yeah, this.
It's got like 2 clips at the bottom, like, you know.
Yeah, this lens, it is a bit of a nuisance to get in, but you go in. There we go.
That's it.
You just have to give it a firm,
Yeah.
you know, a bit of a shove, and then sort of pick it back out again because it goes in too far because there's a piece missing off the end.
Yeah.
There we are. There you go. Yes. Yes. That's it.
Yeah.
Right. So I'm going to clip the battery back on.
Yeah. Then see if it'll work on the camera, like.
Yeah, I'm going to see if it'll. See if the camera will pick it up. It should. Doesn't.
Don't fucking show it, does it?
No.
Can't see a fucking dicky bird.
Let me go more into the lens. There. Did you see that then?
Yeah. Very, very faint, wasn't it? There. It's bloody weak though, isn't it, Andy, do you think? Look at it, that blue little bit. Yeah.
But it is working, as you can see.
Yeah.
But some of them were like that, Mike.
Yeah.
You know, some of them were like that. But if this, you know, if it still doesn't work when you get it home, just change the LEDs.
Yeah.
You know, just put 2 new ones in case they've gone a bit dodgy.
Yeah.
Because I haven't got any of those. Otherwise, I would have done it while I would have done it now.
Thanks, Andy.
But yeah, but I know you've got a box of scrap remotes.
I have, yeah.
You know, just put a couple of, you know, just test a couple and chuck
I was thinking of going on eBay. And
oh yeah, there's your chip.
I
Yeah.
was thinking of going on eBay and seeing.
Because we know there's nothing wrong with that chip.
That's right. Yeah.
Because you know, we got pretty much. Mind you, saying that, saying that they could be.
Yeah.
Because we set that up a lot easier, didn't we?
Yeah.
Like last time it was jumping about everywhere, wasn't it?
All over the place.
We couldn't, you know, and I used the same tool.
Yeah.
I used the same tool to adjust it.
Yeah.
I use that for all adjustments because it's just right.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
well, for all adjustments that fits.
Yeah.
But you know, I think you know, I think if it doesn't work now, it's good just to replace the LEDs and see what happens with that.
There's no on eBay, for instance. You know, if you go on eBay, there's no remotes listed under that.
No, you won't find that now.
No.
Anyway, what I'm going to do, folks, I'm going to end the video here because me and Mike are just chewing the fat with each other now.
Yeah.
We're just having a chat now, and you know, I hope you've managed to glean something from this. I mean, does my remote, mind you, I can't fucking, mind you, does my remote light up when I press it on the camera? Let's go for the zoom down. Yeah, how bright that is.
That's what you got.
You know.
Yeah.
But what I'm going to do, folks, I'm going to call it a day. Because there's nothing else on the bench. The Acker Herald RP 37A, that's going on. I'm going to do an amp rebuild for the hell of it. I'm gonna replace everything except the transistors. All the capacitors I'm gonna do, and I'll do the resistors as well, just like Radio Cruncher did, and see if I can get my amp as good as his, because he'd done a really good job on his. Anyway, retro gaming, something this guy's name is, but I can't remember. Retro gaming, retro something.
And he's the one who uses the...
Yeah, he uses a desoldering braid.
Right.
But if you know, the guy who knows all about.
Like, is it?
Yeah, well, yeah, he uses. Yeah, he fixes all the Neo Geo stuff.
Right.
Arcade, you know, the arcade machine stuff.
Yeah.
He fixes all that sort of stuff, and he uses a solder braid.
Right.
You know, and he gets good results with it.
Right.
You know, he uses it for lifting chips off and all sorts.
Right.
You know, for lifting excess solder off.
Yeah.
Before he eats the chip up with his reflow, with his air gun.
Yeah.
You know, with his heat gun. You know, before he gets the hot air on, he goes. If there's too much solder, if somebody's been in there before him, which is usually the way.
Now, don't they, on the surface mounted one?
Yeah. You know, well, you know, the way this fella does it. I mean, you know, the best one I've ever seen on there with a soldering iron is a guy called Big Clive.
Mm.
You want to watch? Have you ever come across him?
No.
You want to type in Big Clive and have a look at him.
Right.
And what he does, let's just turn the camera, because you have to use your hand movements. What he does, he holds the component, the board. Yeah. He does, honestly. He holds the component, the board, the solder, the iron in his hands. Oh. You know, and he feeds the solder in and he puts the board together, you know, in his hands. Wow. And solders everything on, you know, and I didn't move the...
He's an acrobat, isn't he?
Oh, you know, he's, you know, he's
definitely an acrobat.
He's proficient with a soldering iron.
Yeah.
But then again, you know, they don't call him Big Clive for nothing.
No.
You know, he's got fucking, he's got
giants.
Yeah, he's got fists like lump hammers.
Yeah.
You know, what he does, he fucking, you know, he moves it, you know, he holds everything in his hands and the soldering iron as well. Right. And, you know, me and Jay were talking about it, and we've tried to do it and we can't do it.
Right.
You know, me and Jay have tried to do it, we can't replicate it.
Right.
We can't do it the way
he can do it.
We can't do it the way he can do it. I mean, you know, it's just... You know, he's just got the knack of being able to do that. You know, it's like the lad at the retro game, and I can't remember his full name, which I wish I could. He'll know who I mean. Jay chats with him.
Yeah.
But you know, he uses that solder braid, and he gets on really well with it. I mean, yeah, I mean, I don't like it myself.
No,
I tried using it years ago to get a chip out.
Yeah.
And I found it easier with the sucker.
That's right.
But that was through all. But I suppose
I've got little tiny baby sucker.
Yeah.
Long, you know, RS components, and they were really good. It was, you know, and of course I used that on this.
Yeah.
You see, you know.
You know, I mean, for stuff like your remote control, which is through all, then a sucker's good. And even solder braid's no good for that, in my opinion.
Right, yeah.
You know, but the sucker's the best thing for that.
That's right.
And
you do it so quick, can't you?
Yeah. You know, but this lad, he fucking, you know, he's just good with the solder braid.
Yeah.
You know, he obviously knows how to use it.
Yeah.
You know, because you know, to be honest, let's just put my radio back up here before I knock it off. My record player back over here before I smash into it. There we go. You know, but you know, at the end of the day, you know, I suppose, you know, if you're good with a certain item, then you use it. You know.
True.
You know, but you know, it's
it's what you get used to, isn't it?
Yeah. You know, well, anyway, I'm going to end this video here, folks, and thank you very much for watching. And after Mike's gone, I'm going to pop up and see Francis and give it a turd, because that's the turd now done. I haven't really got any projects. Well, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do the Herald, I'm going to do an amp rebuild on this. I'm going to dig all the components out probably after me tea and get into doing that tonight, I think.
Won't be long before you're doing the swap meet, and then you'll have plenty.
Oh, yeah. Well, I was hoping that this job was going to pay for that, but it's not going to now, is it?
No.
Oh, well, never mind. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day here, folks, and thanks for watching. Pardon me. Bye for now, and more to come later.